Hola! Hey guys. So just giving you a quick update. Still in crappy apartment. Woo woo, COVID. No, it's fine because we had planned on hopefully moving this year to a better place because if you guys don't know me, I've been wanting hardwood floors. This place is all carpet, except for the bathroom. I wanted something that would be easier to clean, not make me feel like it's just like harboring gross, whatever. We clean it. It's fine. Um, but trying to just be content with all of this has been a struggle, especially now that we're spending more time here because I'm working from home. But it's been fine. I had all these plans, as you guys can see. My plans. Oh, this is weird, awkward. Okay. My plans did not work out like I wanted. So that was my debt sheet. So what I wanted to do and was like really, really super excited and all for it was to oh my gosh, words going away. Pay off my student loans this year. I wanted to pay off all my student loans, and then I had a stretch goal of paying off my car as well, and that would be all my debt. So we'd be debt free, and that was my goal. I was super excited. I was like, I'm gonna do this. 2020 is my year. Yeah! And of course, COVID hit, and world changed, and student loans, even if I wanted to keep paying my student loans, I can't because they paused them during all of this, which at first I was really upset about because I was so excited and now I'm not seeing any progress, and that I need that. I don't know if you guys work like this. Like, I'm the kind of person that will like write something down on a checklist just so I can cross it off because I need that like satisfaction, that feeling that I accomplished something. And so the same thing with my student loans. I could see the money go from one account to the other and it would decrease in value and I would get so excited. Sorry about this glare. It's distracting me. I have my blue light glasses on because I stare at a computer all day. I was so excited and now that was taken away from me. I was so upset. My husband was like, "You're still gonna pay them off. Just put that money aside as if you're paying them." It was not the way that I was hoping. I was just so excited the other way. But he's right. Same thing. I've kind of gotten over it. I've just been putting the money away in our savings account so that hopefully once that opens back up again, I'm just going to call them up and be like, "Hey, I have a lot of money to give you," and pay them all off. So that's my goal. We're still doing Postmates to try and pay all that off. It's a lot, you guys. It's not a lot. It's like almost $10,000. Oh, I have it written down right here. That's why I did this. Sorry about the lighting. $9,465. So that's what I have to pay off for my student loans. So we've been doing Postmates to try and save up any extra money that my husband makes at his job. We put some of it toward the debt and some of it toward savings. We live primarily off of my income right now, even though we both work, just to kind of force us to get into good habits, to live on less than we make. We don't need a lot, and so this is a good way to just like really help us focus on paying off debt, and then hopefully after that start saving for a house. Those are future goals. But basically this year, 2020, there's been a lot of start and stop because of COVID, but that's okay. I'm not going to let it get us down. We are still going to try and pay off my loans. We still have the stretch goal of paying off all the debt this year. It hasn't been easy, guys, but it's been kind of exciting. It's nice knowing that we can still accomplish this, especially with everything that's been going on. It's been stressful, it's been scary, but we're doing everything we can. We're being careful. I thankfully still have a job. My pay had been cut a little bit. There was a small decrease. A lot of people were let go, so I am still so thankful for my whole situation. I'm so blessed. Can't complain at all. And yeah, I'm trying to think of what else to update you guys on. I'll probably do some more specific videos on maybe what we've changed in our budget. Maybe a little bit more specific as far as like just our goals video, since it's mostly the same, but it's changed a little bit as far as like housing and apartment go, all of that. And then our travel plans have changed because we planned on going to Nicaragua this year, but I honestly don't know when that's going to happen. We're thinking about buying tickets for December. Hopefully things will smooth over by then. But honest, we really don't know what's gonna happen. This whole thing has just been a roller coaster, and so I'm trying not to be stressed. I'm trying to go with the flow. It really doesn't matter. There's nothing we can do about it. I just keep praying. I hope everyone's staying safe. But I hope this is helpful and encouraging to you guys, that even though everything's changed, you guys can still accomplish things. You can still try to do your best to do what you wanted. I had a lot of other health goals and a lot of other self-care goals that I was able to start getting in a routine and implement because I've been home because of COVID. So I actually should be thanking COVID for a lot of reasons. I'm still saving money, I'm still working, I'm still healthy, and now I'm able to work out on my lunchtime, and I've been able to focus on self-care, my hair, my skin, even though all of it looks terrible right now, blemishes, hair's frizzy. I have been actually implementing that more than I ever was, and it feels really good to just be productive and get things done, focus on the house. Yeah, and I'll actually probably do a cleaning video, so it's weird because I'm walking backwards. So if you guys can see, this is our lovely door. I don't have a board or anything. It's a small apartment. There's nowhere to put anything. So I hang them on the door. And these are just in like little folders with a piece of paper so we can take a dry erase marker and just like check them off. So this is my husband's list and this is my cleaning list. I tried to be like, hey babe, here's my zone cleaning. Can you help? I'm like getting a little overwhelmed. There's so much of it. And he was just like, there's so much. Like, you don't need to be doing all of this. And of course I was like, I have to. I'm a woman and I need to work and clean the house, but I can't do it all, which is just absurd. I wanted to do a lot of detailed cleaning. I was just trying to do it all, and that's just not possible. So I needed to ask for help, and I needed to cut some things. Like, I don't need to be, taking every single book off the bookshelf and wiping every single book down, every week or something like that. Like, it wasn't that bad, but it was similar. And so he was right. It was ridiculous. And so I created those so that he could help me. He doesn't like doing detailed cleaning. He'd rather just do the basics, washing dishes, vacuuming, cleaning the bathroom. Like, he can do that. And so I am so blessed to have him because he was like, just give me the basics. I can do that. Let me know what I can do. He's like, but I don't want to look at this. And so I made him just like a simple weekly/daily schedule, and I just put it on there like that. I was going to detail it out because that's how I work, but that's not how he works. So we just put it all in one. So he's doing that, and then I gave myself like weekly and monthly detailed cleaning that need to be done. And then that way, if I finish that, or if he needs help with his, see a need, fill a need, I'll do dishes. I've been doing dishes, even though it's on his list. Like, laundry is on his list, but I do it too. Like, obviously there are things that we both can do. We both live here, and it all needs to be done. So it doesn't really matter who does it. I just needed extra help, so I didn't feel like it was all on me. And he's amazing. He took it like a champ. He's like, okay, got it. And the next day he cleaned the entire bathroom. So it's like, oh my God, thank you. Yeah, so I've been super lucky there, but I would love to know about you guys, how you've been, how you're handling this. Do you guys have any 2020 goals that have changed, or maybe you thought they changed but you can continue? Or even cleaning goals like me? What are you guys doing for your cleaning? I've been trying to do this zone cleaning thing by how Jen does it. She talks about it and she just like so organized and everything looks so great. She makes it seem so easy. And then what's the other girl I watch? She doesn't do zone cleaning, but she does detailed cleaning all the time too. And I'm like, I want to be like these women. Alexandra Beater? I don't know how to say her last name. I'll try to link it or put her name below. Yeah, but they're both amazing. And so my goal, hashtag goals, is what I wanted to be like. So maybe someday, not right now, baby steps. But yeah, let me know what your cleaning routine is. Sorry, this is shaky. I'm holding my arm. I just like got inspired all of a sudden to make this video because I wanted to update you guys. Yeah, I've been talking a lot. I need to drink. I know I talk fast. I'm sorry. But yeah, oh yeah, so let me know your goals. Let me know what's changed. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And I'll probably do a cleaning video next, just kind of on how we're hoping to do that. But I hope you guys are staying safe and staying blessed.